Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix TikTok error, no internet connection on Android. So if you always try to turn on your TikTok and you only see the message, this guide is for you. So first thing you have to do is whenever you see that error message, you're going to go straight to your phone settings. So once you go to your phone settings, you're going to go straight to apps right here. And if you're using iOS, that's iPhone, simply go to general and you're going to go to your TikTok. But for Android user, you're going to click on apps. So once you click on apps, it's going to load up all the apps in your phone. You go straight to TikTok. So once you go straight to your TikTok app like this, you click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to go straight to storage. So you're going to actually first of all clear up the cache and also clear up the data. So once you do this, you're going to wait for a bit, and after you must have done that, you have to go back and check. But if your TikTok doesn't open, the next thing you have to do is scroll down like this, and you have to turn off your data for some minutes and turn it on, and also put it on airplane mode for a while, maybe like probably some minutes, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or probably less, and you turn it on again. And if you're using your Wi-Fi, you can equally turn that off and turn it on, try to connect again. And also mind you, if you're using VPN, you have to actually make sure you disconnect the VPN. So afterwards, you are good to go. But if it still persists, you can simply go to your Play Store, Apple Store, and simply search for TikTok to update the app like this. So you can simply click on update, or you can simply uninstall the app and reinstall the app again, and it's going to definitely work out. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.